Howdy team, I'm back. Another long hiatus, I know. I won't muck around, we'll jump into what this episode will cover. In this episode, I visit Palomino, a beautiful beach town in northern Colombia. I'll enjoy quiet beaches, tubing down Rio Palomino, hanging out with natural wildlife, and eating all the local delicacies. Okay, so let's jump into it. So I'm in the front of us, a very packed bus, heading to Santa Marta, and that was quite quick. Just a random public bus just got shoved in and I'm gonna make it. I was really sad to leave. I mean, I really liked the women here. This is a really nice woman called Carolina, who is a Hostel woman, and she was really nice with her 18 cats. I'm gonna miss them. As you all should know by now, I'm a sucker for a scenic bus, and this was a beautiful bus from the mountains back down to the coastal area of Santa Marta, a hustling, bustling oasis. What is that? Hopping on the bus to Palomino, I'm gonna get a front seat. I'm gonna try to sit here. Hola! Cool. I was absolutely thrilled with the free aircon on the bus and enjoyed it for the entire ride. I've arrived in Palomino. It is not what I expected. It's pretty much just dusty roads. My bag is intact. And with my new friend Antoine, I'm just walking to the hostel. I've arrived at the hostel. Cool, not bad. It looks amazing.
And here is the room for your bag.
Perfect. Okay, first impressions of Palomino. It is a very weird, cool place. My hostel is awesome. I'm paying $11 a night, breakfast included, which is quite substantial, I hear. And I don't know, it's like a lot of dusty roads. I haven't really explored much, so I'm getting started now. Just gotta figure out where to go. I'm just heading to the beach first and just walking down, but it's just quiet and really relaxed. I might go tubing tomorrow in Palomino River, but other than that, I might just chill out, go for big walks, explore, hopefully meet some cool people. Yeah. Palomino is a very sweet, quaint town on the Caribbean coast of Colombia. It's located in the Guajira region. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And that's about 70 kilometers from Santa Marta. You kind of feel like you're off the beaten track when you visit Palomino, and you can see the beautiful coastline. Though, being a Sydney-sider, I must admit, nothing really beats Sydney beaches. So this is Carrera 6, and this is the street that goes straight to the highway as well, so I'll be taking this so I can get some information about things to do here. I'm going to do it. While on the hunt for food, I made a few little birdie pals. I don't know what I want. This always takes me hours to decide what I want to eat. It's a tough choice. So I'm going to get this. It's $5, and it's a vegan menu. I have absolutely no idea what this is other than the fact it's vegan. But let's give it a go. Oh wow, that is delicious. Oh my gosh, second one. Oh, it's plantain. Ooh, that makes sense. It is so yummy. Someone's hungry. Along with touristy adventures, there are two things you're guaranteed when you watch my travel videos: lots of kiddies and lots of food. So I've booked tubing tomorrow, which will be like 2-3 hours. Maybe longer actually, I hope. My social battery is just so drained right now. I just can't be bothered talking to people. I don't know what to do tonight, and I'm annoyed that I booked a shared room because I would love a private room right now, and I made my bed and got to lie in it. But yeah, it's times like this where you just want to be on your own and you can't. Just to clarify so I don't sound like a spoiled brat, I was at week 7 of a long trip, staying in hostels the whole time. First world problems I know, but living out of a suitcase can be exhausting. I'm having an arepa and pasta for dinner. I already had one of them and they're delicious. And then there's some potato thing and there's falafel. I'll start with the vegan arepa and cheaper to go. Oh my god, I'm gonna come here every day. It's the best place here. Oh my god. Round 2 pasta. Oh. It's just vegetables, so much vegetable. Amazing. Oh my god. This is literally all I wanted. And for dessert, we have a watermelon I'm savagely eating. But I have no cutlery. And I want it now. Hello, I just had 9 hours of sleep, so I'm feeling a lot more alive. Sun's out, heading to the beach just to do a little stroll. I was gonna drone, and this actually looks like it could be nice weather for droning, so I might turn back and get it. I can't decide yet. 9 AM pickup for tubing, which is exciting, and then yeah, it's pretty much the day. And I'm moving to a hotel. Yay. By hotel I mean a 30 Australian dollar a night private room, which was hotel enough for me. Now, as I don't know if you know, but this trip was actually a year and a half ago. I'm just being lazy with editing. But I do remember my feelings at the time, and I just felt exhausted and that I didn't really know what I was doing, and traveling kind of felt monotonous at times. Which sounds crazy because I was in the most beautiful parts of the world, but I still had my 3rd degree burn on my leg and a few hiccups in the trip, so I was counting on Palomino being very restful. I met this French guy yesterday who actually owns this place, El Arbre de Pain. Thought I'd give him a solid one and go visit. Okay, he's a good baker. And a very good baker. Wow. Look at the inside. That's fresh. Today we are tubing on these. I need to get on the left side. Oh my god, I did not expect you on motor again. It's gonna be a challenge. Aquí? No bueno. Lol. I had told my mom that after my Costa Rican burn, I would never hop on another motorbike in my life, and oops, sorry mom. I'm going tubing for 2.5 hours or so. It costs 20 Australian, which is 60,000 pesos. You get a lift there, tube, and we're going down the Palomino River through the rapids. And the lift is a motorbike ride, half an hour, which I will survive burn-free. And my shoulder kind of hurts carrying this thing. Made it alive with my tube. And we're going to do I think it's like a 50-minute hike to get to the other end. And then we go tubing for 2 and a bit hours down Rio Palomino. Got my big tube. And we're just strolling. And this guy's giving me a waterproof bag as well. Off we go. Oh, water. Do you want water? Okay. It is a very sweaty walk up till, I think it's like 50 minutes or so. We can hear some howler monkeys. And we're just strolling. But yes, it's very steep and humid. And we made it to water. It's now 10:05 AM, so it took us about 50 minutes or so to get here. Gorgeous. We are currently at the river, just waiting to get in. There's my tube, waterproofing everything. There were various options for how long the rafting tour would be. I ended up choosing the longest one, which was 3 to 3.5 hours, and it was really worth it. Okay. Is it cold? So cold. Oh my god. You're not selling it for me. Oh, it's chilly.
Your feet, you know, your feet. Yes.
Ah, see.
Good.
Feet where?
Like down on your, under your tube. My feet on your tube and his feet on my tube.
My feet are just chilling here. Genießt I took way too much footage because there's only so much footage you can take of rafting. My feet are gonna get all pruny and yum. Some little caballo horses over there. Basically, over the 3.5 hour journey, I became the world's new David Attenborough. Oh, that's huge. Is that a pig? Yeah. It's massive. Apparently we have to hold on tight to this one. Then it was time to spice things up with a few rapids. Oh, whoa.
Okay.
Bueno.
Okay. Yay.
So our little beer and snack spot. So you buy a cerveza and empanadas here.
How was that?
Huh?
How was that? This one.
Does it? Oh, I'll put them in there.
There was a lot of relaxing. If you hadn't noticed throughout my entire trip, and if you've watched my previous videos, you'll know that I was non-stop for 8 weeks.
Gracias.
Yay me!
Che ricchissimo.
We're all done. That was a very cool experience.
My feet aren't even pruny because I didn't spend much time with my feet in the water, which is
Wow. We ended up at the mouth of the river along the Caribbean coast.
The memory for the trip. You got to. It's better if you put the bag here, like that.
No, I can't.
No, you can do it. No, normally.
Ich kann's machen.
This. You got the control. You got to take it.
Okay, like this.
Du kannst es schaffen. So it's a 15-minute or 20-minute walk back from the mouth of Rio Palomino to the city again. So just walking along the beach. Same route I did yesterday and just enjoying the water. It's really nice. It's a perfect sunny day. It's been the first sunny day since Cartagena. It's gorgeous. Oh, well, you know what's up. Food time. Okay, that is only 5,000, which is about $1.60. That's insane. I might try that later. I got me a spinach and mushroom pastry. Right in the middle. That's really good. When something like this big, whoa, costs $1.50 and is sugar and nuts, I have to try it. So let's give it a bite. Oh wow. She's good. She's moist. She's muy dolce. I'm definitely not going to finish this. I need to find someone to offload it to. One of my German friends. We'll find someone. Yum. Hola! Sadly, didn't have much luck with the Colombian birds. We are out here and drone is going to be flown. Very beautiful sunset. As drone locations go, you can't get much better than this for a sunset. Beautiful coastline, gorgeous luscious palm trees and mountains in the background, and incredible waves. Really, really breathtaking. I made some German friends on the beach and watched the sunset with them before we headed out for dinner along the bustling streets of Palomino. Contigo! Ist oder ein Liter?
Das ist mehr als, aber das sind 4 Eis, ne? Und die,
Ja. Mit meiner neuen Freundin. Ja. This is a massive mojito, bigger than my head. That is a big burger. Big as my head. Plenty of food to head size comparisons. And then dessert by my hotel pool. This is what you call a fun Thursday night in. Hopping on the bus to Tayrona now, as I know, with my new Brazilian pals. And there you have it, my time in Palomino. Only a day or two, but ended up still doing a lot. And surprisingly, in the next video or two, you'll see that I returned to Palomino with some friends I made on the San Blas Island tour. As always, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next time. This is a cool way to get to a hostel. Oh, and in the next episode, you'll find that my adventures take me to Tayrona National Park. Okay, bye-bye.